Yeah, I mean, just quickly, this has been a lot of fun. I mean, just
Oh,
learning about all these different things. It's cool. Kind of want to have like a follow-up and like do something, maybe make another one, or maybe we can show what we've made, but it's really cool. So thank you for doing this.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I had fun doing this too.
I want to just echo what David said. Please consider doing a follow up. This was all good. Also, I just like being part of the community again. Um,
Yes, love having you
so
back.
that was important just to, I mean, I've seen David a few times in these meetings, and just to be part of it again and doing this stuff
Yeah.
it was just as important to me as the liniment. So please think about it.
Right. Oh, thank you. Yes, that's so wonderful. Thank you for
Learned a
that.
lot
Yeah.
of good stuff. I think we would be good for learning any of those things that you just talked about a minute ago.
Okay. Awesome.
Definitely.
Awesome. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much for joining me today. This was so much fun. So happy to share this with you all.